Today I'm going to share a very simple way to grow hydroponic lettuce at home. All you need is a foam container, net cups, and the right nutrient solution to grow clean vegetables without soil. This method saves space, stays clean, and works perfectly on rooftops or small balconies. If you want to grow safe vegetables for your family, this is definitely worth trying. To mix hydroponic nutrient solutions A and B for leafy vegetables, keep the concentration between 400 and 600 ppm. Always use a TDS meter to make sure the nutrient level is accurate for healthy plant growth. You only need to add water and nutrients once at the beginning, and it will support the plants all the way through harvest. This growing method saves a lot of time and effort. From planting to harvest, there's no need to add more fertilizer and no need to water, yet the vegetables still grow strong, healthy and productive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so I can share more useful home gardening tips with you.